Today we're looking at how to create lead generation campaigns that actually produce results. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day: are you running lead generation campaigns on Facebook? And what have been your results? Let me know in the comment section down below. One of the biggest benefits of launching a lead generation campaign is the fact that you keep people on Facebook. They're not clicking on a link and going somewhere else. Some people still are a bit apprehensive about doing that, so you get to keep people on Facebook. An additional benefit for you is that you don't have to worry about landing pages. You don't have to worry about, is this landing page converting? Do I have to pay this for landing pages or anything like that? So that's another huge benefit. Something I want to show you when it comes to the business page is by going to more and going to publishing tools. A lot of people don't know that their forms and leads actually show up here. So if you scroll down to the forms library, you have all of the forms that you have used in the past. And you also have the ability to download the leads that you generated with those forms. Now remember, you have 90 days from the time they were submitted by a user to take and download these leads, or else they go away. So if I scroll down here, you see a ton of leads that have already been deleted. So this is not a CRM for you to use. This is a way for you to generate leads and pull them out of Facebook as quickly as possible. So whenever you finish a campaign, depending on how long it is, if it's longer than 90 days, then you want to come in here and download all of them as much as possible. So the benefit of coming here is that you are doing it based off of a form. So if you're split testing 5, 6, 20, 50 different audiences on another campaign, you would have to go into each one and download them manually. Here you don't have to do that. So here it takes it based off of a form. So not only can you download all of the leads from this particular form, but you can create the form from here. So as opposed to going and creating the campaign and then creating your form, you can do it directly from here. Today we're not going to do that, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So let's go over to the ads manager and actually create an ad. All right, so we're gonna go, this is our ads manager. This is the hub we're gonna create. And depending on the ad that you're running, if you're running a credit, employment, and housing style ad, then you do need to select that it's a special ad category. Now, if you're running anything beyond that, then congratulations, you don't have to select this and be restricted in your targeting. Basically, this is what it does. It restricts your targeting at the ad set level. So that's really the only difference. You still have access to the same user at the end of the day, but you don't have filters on the front end to get you to the end user much quicker. So that's really the big difference. For our purposes today, I will select the housing special ad category so you see what it looks like, and we will go with the lead generation campaign. All right, so we're not gonna worry about names for now. We're not gonna be split testing. We're not gonna worry about the name, and this is where we select the page that we are advertising from. Over here, we're gonna be shown that as again, but at that point, we're not gonna have the option of selecting a different page if you have multiple business pages. So just be aware of that. We're not creating a dynamic creative. Select a catalog and product set of which to fill your ad creative will automatically show the item that's best for whoever is viewing your ad. We're not gonna do a catalog, but if you do have multiple products, this is a great place for you, or this is a great way for you to showcase that. All right, so we have the custom audiences, special ad audiences. We're not gonna worry about that today. We're gonna focus on a cold audience. So we're gonna select people living in a certain location. And today we're gonna go to where are we gonna go? Let's go to San Francisco. All right, San Francisco, 15-mile radius. We can't do anything about the age and the gender. As a reminder, we're running a special ad category. These are the restrictions when it comes to targeting that we have to deal with in the special ad category. If you don't advertise anything that has to do with credit, employment, and housing, then congratulations, you have more targeting abilities than what you're seeing right now. So congratulations. All right, so detailed targeting. What we're doing today, let's just get some buyer leads and we'll go with the Zillow interest. All right, so if we're getting some buyers, we're gonna select Zillow as an interest, and I highly encourage you to split test Zillow versus Trulia and versus Realtor.com because you will see various results. It's common for you to want to do Zillow and Realtor and Trulia, and I understand that there is a strategy behind that, but I suggest that you split test the three to see which one is ultimately giving you better results, because here it is going to be clear cut based off of the leads that are generated. So if you split test Zillow and it has 10 leads in that lead form, and then Trulia and it only has 2, so it's very easy to see which interest is actually working. Every time you're split testing, make sure that you're split testing one variable versus 2, 3, 4, 5, or anything beyond 1 in reality. Not going to worry about the connections. So it's basically connections to your Facebook page, apps, or events. So anybody that's ever been introduced to your brand or likes your business page or friends of people, we're not going to worry about connections. We are going to manually place some items, and as you can see here, the audience network and messenger are gone away with. And the reason being is because we're running a lead generation campaign. And in that lead generation campaign, we're talking about a form. So that's why you're not seeing all of the placements that you're accustomed to seeing. So you see it wipes out a lot of other placements that we once had the ability to select. All right, so we're just going to go with the Facebook newsfeed. We're going to continue, make sure that all mobile devices are on. Since we have almost 250,000 people, $20 is under budget. So as much as you want to spend, really, you're not going to be able to saturate this audience rather quickly. So $20 should be enough for 2 weeks worth of cycling through this audience. And even then it'll be, let's see. Yeah, I would give it 10 days, 14 days to cycle through this to where it's showing multiple times to your audience. All right, we're going to continue. And as a reminder, you have that Facebook page that you selected over here. Not going to worry about the name. And then here you have the carousel option and you have the single image or video option. You see now that you don't have the collection option, which is a mobile optimized way of advertising. With the collection option, and when it comes to format, that's available on That's available on traffic campaigns, conversion campaigns, and various campaigns that are not the lead generation campaigns. All right, so we would just X out of that because that is a holdover. We're gonna add an image. Let's just go with the stock image. Go to a house. Gonna move this. So just select that.
One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my free courses, link in description.
All right, for the ad copy, since we have a house right there and we're advertising for buyer leads, let's just say just listed. Check out price. Let's see. Address, video tour, and additional pictures. Click learn more. All right, so we're calling out that this property, it's a beautiful property. It's a stock image as a reminder. So you're enticing them with the lead magnet being the property. So the property is a lead magnet. The actual pictures, the video tour, the price, the location. So if they're interested, they will select that for you. So I highly encourage you to use emojis to stop people from scrolling through your ad. All right, so headline, See price now, will not last. All right, and sign up is too intimidating, so we're gonna go with learn more. You have the various forms here, so I'm gonna show you real quick how to create a new form. Just name this form right there. Go to settings, make sure that it's open. Your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. So in case somebody that is aware of your brand or just likes the image or the property just altogether, you're gonna be surprised they actually share it even if they don't know you. So there's a lot of people that do that, which is gonna help you in the long run, because when you have the setting open, you get that free traffic from other people sharing your content. So that's awesome. All right, we're gonna go with more volume on the lead form. The introduction, we're gonna say lowest priced home in the county. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're gonna continue going. Use the image from your ad, and then paragraph. See why this home will not last. And then just some additional descriptions about the particular property. So whatever you have on the MLS, that would certainly do well. Questions, this is where you select the field. So what you're doing right now is creating effectively that landing page, which is a lead form here on Facebook. So what you're gonna ask for is that phone number. I don't generally ask for the full name, so I just ask for the first name. It's less intimidating that way. So I go first name first, email, phone number. And these fields are something that Facebook already has, so they're gonna be pre-populated on Facebook. So whenever somebody clicks on your ad, their first name, their email, and their phone number that they gave to Facebook will populate. So it's a simple click away for them to give you their contact information. So it reduces the friction. As a reminder, they don't have to go to a landing page and give you their information and manually fill it out. That's the beauty of it. Now the privacy policy. So I just put privacy policy here, and then I would put the URL to my privacy policy. For our purposes today, I'll just put the website. All right, thank you screen. Thanks, you're all set. Check your inbox. This beautiful home is waiting. There you go. And then here, check out more homes. And then you would send them over to your IDX, whatever website that you have. I'm just gonna put the same website just for this tutorial, but the beauty about this is what you're saying is, hey, go check your inbox because you gave me an email. You're not delivering the goods here, because if they gave you wrong information, I don't want to reward them with the prize. I don't want to reward them with the actual information that I promised. I am delivering and I am making good on delivering what I promised, but I'm doing that in good faith that they gave me their contact information. So they didn't hold up their end of the deal. If they gave me wrong information, then that's a null and void agreement, if you will, or at least that's how I see it. So don't give away the goods on the thank you. This is basically the thank you page. So don't give the goods away on the thank you page or the thank you screen. Give the goods in whatever form or whatever contact information that they gave you. If you only requested a phone number, then text them the information that you promised them. That way, they get the goods that you promised them if they gave you the right information. And then moving forward, all you have to do is make sure that your tracking pixel is on. You press confirm, and you've launched a lead generation campaign. Well, now you know how to create lead generation campaigns on Facebook. If you want the exact ad copy that's generating real estate leads for $2, then you're gonna wanna check out this video right here. And if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.